Santosh here. How are you all? I hope you all are good and healthy. Yesterday we discussed about Indus Valley civilization origin. Okay, today we continue with it. Okay, Indus Valley civilization. Here are 4 points. Nomenclature means Nama Paddhati. Second, expansion means Vistar. Third, date. Date means Tariq. Fourth, creator. Creator means Nirmata. Okay. Nomenclature commonly used for classification the Indus Valley civilization into an early, mature and late Harappan phase. The Indus Valley civilization was preceded by local agriculture villages from where the river plains were populated when water management became available, creating an integrated civilization. Okay, expansion. Expansion means any act that expands, or we say a thing formed by the enlargement or broadening of something. Okay, date means the day, month or a year on which an event happens or happened. Okay, creator. Creator means someone who has invented something, like for example God. Okay, by all our points, nomenclature, expansion, date, creator, make easy to understand the Indus Valley civilization in systematic manner. Okay, now origin. Origin means utpatti. Okay, foreign origin. Videshi. Foreign means Videshi. Okay, there are some points which we discuss in brief. First we note these points. Okay, important civilization, sudden origin principles given by Sir John Marshall, Wheeler, Garden, Child, D.D. Kosambi. Okay, about Indus Valley civilization, Mesopotamia, submarine civilization of Mesopotamia. Okay, now in brief, by foreign point of view, Sir John Marshall, Wheeler, Garden, Child, D.D. Kosambi said that it is a very important civilization which sudden origin. They give views that Indus Valley civilization is Mesopotamia is a submarine civilization, means submarine is the earliest. Submarine means is the earliest known civilization in the historical region of southern Mesopotamia, emerging during the Chalcolithic and early Bronze Ages between 6th and 5th millennium BC. Okay. Now, second point, Indian origin. Indian origin means Swadeshi. Okay. Here are some points. Principle of continued development given by A.N. Ghosh, M.G. Majumdar, S.R. Rao by Fair Service. Okay. A.N. Ghosh, M.G. Majumdar, S.R. Rao gives fair service that by Indian point of view, Indus Valley civilization is origin by principle of continued development like Paleolithic, Mesolithic, Neolithic and by Chalcolithic. Okay. Alchen. Alchen is a historian, gives evidences for Indian give evidence for Indian origin. Alchen is a historian, gives evidence for Indian origin that Indus Valley civilization is a Indian civilization. Indian civilization, they not give any foreign evidence. They give some points like Indus Valley civilization was not developed by Mesopotamian civilization because there are some basic difference in both civilization. Indus Valley civilization, okay, Mesopotamia is submarine civilization, but Indus Valley civilization is a systematically planned civilization. It is an urban civilization which houses are made from fire, bricks, cross the road on right angle. In each house have an own kitchen, well and courtyard. This all evidences show that the Indus Valley civilization fully planned civilization. Very important point of Indus Valley civilization that they have drainage system that time. Okay, Indus Valley civilization have no evidences of any temple. Evidences of any temple for worship. They worship nature, for example tree, animal, etc. But in Mesopotamian civilization, give evidences of temples are found. Okay, scripting was a pictography. Kilakar script. Pictography. Pictography were used as the earliest known form of writing. Examples have been discovered in Egypt, Mesopotamia from before 3000 BC. Okay. According origin view of Indus Valley civilization was developed through systematically manner. It means their civilization are development through Neolithic, Chalcolithic and Bronze, and evidences are found in different places. Okay. Previous culture of Indus Valley civilization are here. Okay. Kulli and Nal culture in Pakistan. Second, Ahad, Jorwe and Kayat culture in India. Okay. Third, Jhukar Jhakar culture in Sindh, Pakistan. According to the intellectual, Indus Valley civilization developed by Iran, but it was not okay. All right, because there are 250-year gap between both civilizations. On other hand, there are some other differences. First point, Aryan believe in rural culture, but Indus Valley civilization is a urban civilization. Second point, Aryan were attacking tendency. Third point, Aryan had not own script, but Indus Valley civilization have their own script. Sanskrit was the language of Aryan. We have no evidences of language of Indus Valley civilization. Okay. Fifth point, according to another point of view, Indus Valley civilization developed by Dravidians. This view is not acceptable because Dravidian people follow rural culture. On other hand, Indus people follow urban civilization. Okay, by this you have clear about Indus Valley civilization origin. Okay, thank you for watching my videos. Okay, see you again in my next video. Okay, bye bye.